Summer 2026 is just weeks away. Want to build muscle but have zero room for a massive weight rack? You don't need a commercial gym. You just need one pair of adjustable dumbbells. One pair replaces 15 sets of weights, saving you 90% of your floor space. We've tested the latest tech. Here are the top 3 picks on Amazon right now. First, the Bowflex SelectTech 552. The industry standard. Twist the dial to go from 5 to 52.5 pounds in seconds. It's quiet, reliable, and the perfect all-rounder for any home workout. Second, the PowerBlock Elite EXP. Built like a tank, its unique square design is compact and incredibly durable. Plus, it's modular, you can add more weight as you get stronger. It's a lifetime investment. Third, the Core Home Fitness Set. The Speed King. Just twist the handle while in the cradle. It offers the most natural balance and the fastest transitions for high-intensity training. Pro tip: pair these with the stowable bench to unlock incline and decline exercises. Total body sculpting, zero clutter. Which one fits your goals? Check our full comparison and the latest Amazon deals at the link below. Start your transformation today.